Hey guys, it's Christy with WTI. We love summer as a family, but we hate bug bites. However, I have found a great solution to speed up the process and ease the itch, and that is the bug bite thing. So, what is the bug bite thing? Well, it's the thing that helps with bug bites. So, no, I'll give you more of an explanation. So, it uses suction. So, you adhere it to the skin right over the bug bite, and then pull up the little lever and it will suck the venom out of the bug bite, therefore relieving the itch and healing a lot quicker. I find it's most effective if you can use it quickly, so I would definitely recommend that. But it does help. I would definitely pick it up for the summer because you can't get away from the bugs, but you can help ease the itch with the bug bite thing. And that's my point of view.